You may wonder, what does COVID, Node.js and Telegram have in common? Continue watching and you will see. Slovakia, as well as other countries, is fighting with low vaccination rates. Instead of punishing those who are hesitant to get vaccinated, the government decided to motivate the people by high prizes in the lottery. Everyone who took at least one jab can win up to 400,000 euros. TV host, with the help of some local celebrity or public figure, randomly chooses some person and he or she has 20 seconds to say the secret phrase which is displayed on TV tuned to national TV channel. This poor girl was watching the show through internet and due to high delay she was not able to say the phrase within the time limit. Fortunately, some clever guy has made a website where he shares the latest phrases for those who do not own TV or those who simply do not want to watch this show but still would like to participate in this lottery. By using integrated developer tools in Chrome, we try to find out where the phrase is coming from. We can see that the website is periodically requesting some API which returns the phrase and timestamp in form of JSON. Now let's try to talk to this API through Node.js to get the fresh phrase. For this purpose we will use request library which just takes one argument with the URL and third argument in completion handler holds the response from server. Now we will do what the website does. Just query the API every 2 seconds and turn the response into object and extract just the phrase. We are doing this because in the next step we want to show the phrase only when it was modified. For this purpose we add a declaration of last phrase variable which will be initially blank string. Then we can just simply compare it with the phrase from server to see whether there was a change. Now comes the interesting part. We want to use Telegram Messenger bot to send a notification to a mobile phone. By googling we quickly find a short example which demonstrates how to integrate Telegram bot with Node.js. The only thing we need to change in this program is the bot token ID, which is the identifier of our virtual friend. By sending a message, a new event is emitted and this code just replies back with something. /echo replies back the same message. Both functions which are used for sending messages need an identifier of chat called chatID. So let's add little debugging code to find out what is it in our case. Now we are ready to send the message to our phone at any point of our program. So let's join both programs together by sending the message right when new phrase arrives. The only thing what this program does right now is sending null phrase, which seems useless, but it is a good sign that the Telegram bot is working well and we are able to send messages or notifications to our phone from JavaScript. By removing all unneeded parts of the code, we get something really short but powerful. And finally, here is the demonstration how it works. Ready to win some money while drinking beer with your friends? Don't forget to tell me in the comments how would you use your Telegram bot in IoT or other projects. See you next time.
Ukáž nám heslo, prosím ťa, lebo to musíme zvládnuť ako prvé vždy.
No tak to je veľmi pre mňa príznačné slovo starostlivosť.
Áno, a prečo je to pre teba príznačné slovo, ak sa môžem
Lebo ja som taký
opýtať?
starostlivý typ, ja som znamene panna a veľmi rada sa starám